Hey friends, if your Nissan displays shipping mode on push storage fuse, don't assume there's a major electrical failure. This message is related to the vehicle's power management setup, which can be used during transportation or extended storage to reduce battery drain. If the storage fuse has been pressed or isn't seated in its normal operating position, some electrical functions may be limited and the vehicle can continue displaying the message. This can happen after dealership preparation, battery work, or when the fuse was accidentally disturbed. Here's what you can check. Step 1. Locate the interior fuse box and identify the push type storage fuse using the Nissan fuse diagram. Step 2. Compare the fuse position with the normal operating position shown in the owner's manual. Step 3. Check whether interior accessories have reduced power or stopped functioning since the message appeared. Step 4. After correcting the fuse position, cycle the ignition and allow the vehicle's electrical modules to initialize.